Here's a Mitsubishi Electric City Multi air conditioner running on the 86-degree day. This thing's so loud. Here's the side of the coil, side of it. Model number PUHY P250YHM-A. It's a 5-ton. Serial number 96W099499. It's from 1999. And there's a line connection. They put it the cover because someone won't touch it, you know. There's another one on the side like I recorded like last time or a few weeks ago. It uses R14A refrigerant. And yeah. This church was built in 1995. It was after the other one was installed, you know. This thing is just quiet. 2009. I'm sorry. This is only a 2009. 6th week of 2009. This is only a 2009. There's the inside of the church. The reason why it's hot in Singapore because they put hot weather all the time in Singapore. Just lower heat. Here's the back of the unit. It also has a Mitsubishi electric compressor. Well, okay, that's all for now. See you soon.